Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn about getting information, exercise 1 to 4, conversation part 2nd. If you have not watched previous video part 1, please go and check that video first, then you study this one, then it will be more easy to understand. Exercise 1. I need some information. So, in this sentence we can notice here information. Instead of information we can use different words and vocabs such as a little, assistance, I'd, appreciate, with this, work, some more. So how we will use this word in sentence, let us see one by one. So number one word is a little. In sentence, I need a little information. Assistance. In sentence, I need a little assistance. Next word is I'd appreciate. In sentence, I'd appreciate a little assistance. Next word is with this work. In sentence, I'd appreciate a little assistance with this work. Next word is some more. In sentence, I'd appreciate some more assistance with this work. Exercise 2. Sentence is go to that desk over there. In this sentence we can notice here over there. Instead of over there we can use different words and vocabs such as across the room, the counter, walk, opposite that door, the office. So how we can use this word in sentence, let us see one by one. Number one word is across the room. In sentence, go to that desk across the room. Next word is the counter. In sentence, go to the counter across the room. Next word, walk. In sentence, walk to the counter across the room. Next word is opposite that door. In sentence, walk to the counter opposite that door. Next word, the office. In sentence, walk to the office opposite that door. Exercise 3. Sentence is what's the best way to get to this address? In this sentence we can notice here the best. Instead of the best we can use different words and vocabs such as faster, easiest, quickest, shortest, least, difficult. So how we can use this word in sentence, let us see one by one. Number one word is fastest. In sentence we will use this one like this. What's the fastest way to get to this address? Next word is easiest. In sentence we will use this one. What's the easiest way to get to this address? Next word is quickest. In sentence we will use this one like this. What's the quickest way to get to this address? Next word is shortest. In sentence, what's the shortest way to get to this address? Next word is least difficult. We will use this one word in sentence like this. What's the least difficult way to get to this address? Exercise 4. What's the best way to get to this address? So, in this sentence we can notice here this address. Instead of this address we can use different words and vocabs such as the central of town, the local shopping center, the central hotel, Eastern College. So how we will use these words in sentence, let us see one by one. Number one word is the center of town. In sentence, what's the best way to get to the center of town? Next word is the local shopping center. In sentence we will use this one like this. What's the best way to get to the local shopping center? Next word is the central hotel. In sentence we will use this one like this. What's the best way to get to the central hotel? Next word is Eastern College. In sentence we will use this one like this. What's the best way to get to Eastern College? Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.